Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: signs of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health. Unfortunately, many people around the world are deficient in this essential vitamin without even realizing it. So in this video, we'll be highlighting some common signs that may indicate a vitamin D deficiency. Let's get started. Before we dive into the signs, let's quickly understand why vitamin D is so important. Our bodies need vitamin D to absorb calcium, promote bone health, support the immune system, regulate mood, and maintain optimal muscle function. The primary source of vitamin D is sunlight, and it can also be obtained from certain foods and supplements. Sign number 1: frequent illness or infections. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. If you find yourself frequently falling sick or experiencing prolonged recovery times, it could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Sign number 2: low dietary intake of vitamin D-rich foods. While sunlight is the best natural source of vitamin D, you can also find it in certain foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel and sardines, fortified dairy products, egg yolks, and mushrooms. If your diet lacks these sources, you might be at risk of deficiency. Sign number 3: limited exposure to sunlight. Sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D in our bodies. If you live in a region with limited sunlight, spend most of your time indoors, or always use sunscreen, your chances of developing a deficiency increase. Sign number 4: muscle weakness or pain. Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining muscle strength and function. If you experience unexplained muscle weakness or chronic pain, it might be a good idea to get your vitamin D levels checked. Sign number 5: feeling low or depressed. Vitamin D plays a role in regulating mood, and research suggests a connection between vitamin D deficiency and depression. If you're experiencing persistent feelings of sadness or low mood, vitamin D deficiency could be a contributing factor. Lastly, sign number 6: bone and back pain. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which is crucial for maintaining healthy bones. If you're experiencing unexplained bone pain, especially in your back, it's worth considering a vitamin D deficiency as a potential cause. So if you identify with any of these signs, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional who can perform a simple blood test to determine your vitamin D levels. In many cases, vitamin D deficiency can be easily corrected through supplements, dietary changes, or increased sun exposure, with adequate protection, of course. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Remember, taking care of your health is essential, and being aware of potential deficiencies like vitamin D can go a long way in maintaining your well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe or follow Studio G for more news, sports, and entertainment updates.